Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Debian Linux 13.5. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we'll enter this tar file and we'll install Tor Browser. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. Now enter this tar file, tar-xf, then tar. Press the tab to autofill entire zip file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder. ls. Now execute this file. // then start. Then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. So you got the Tor Browser. Now verify the version. Help about Tor Browser. See, we have installed 15.0.14. Connect to Tor. Click on connect, or if you want to always connect automatically, click on connect. Okay, it is establishing a connection. This will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser latest version 15.0 on Debian Linux 13.5. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.